Right, this is a specimen paper. It's actually paper one, so hopefully the actual calculations, remember that's not a calculator one, so in theory it should actually be pretty easy calculations. Right, so what they're asking, again, it's simultaneous equations. It gives you a wee scenario. First thing, a couple of things you have to do is create two equations. Okay, so Brian buys three full bus passes, four restricted passes, and it costs him £185. So quite often, just use the first. If this pen's actually working, just use the first term or the first initial from each, right? So that's three full passes, and that is plus four restricted passes. That cost him £185. Okay. You then have Bob, who bought two full passes plus three restricted passes, and that equals £130. And then we're just trying to work out how much a full pass and a restricted pass is. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to write these two equations back down here. Okay, so that's 3f plus 4r, that equals 185. And that is 2f for Bob plus 3r, and that is £130. And it's always handy just to actually number these equations. Now, we are essentially, it's by elimination, so we're trying to eliminate one of these unknowns, so we're just left with numbers and one unknown, and then we can work out what that unknown is. So I'm going to try and get rid of these r's. So we basically look at the coefficient. We're trying to get them to equal the same. Now if you multiply 4 by 3, that is 12. So we're trying to get both of these up to 12. To get 4 up to 12, times that by 3, and to get 3 up to 12, times that by 4. So you're essentially timesing that by that coefficient, timesing that by that coefficient. Okay. What you end up is that will end up being 9f, okay, 3 times 3 plus 12r equals, that's 555, and that is 8f plus 12r, and that equals 520, okay, and these are another two equations, so that's equation 3, and that's equation 4. Now to get rid of the r's, we just subtract equation 4 from equation 3, so we'll just write that down. So we end up getting 8 minus 8 is going to be f. 12 minus 12 is nothing. 555 minus 520, that's going to be 35. So the full cost is actually 35 for the full pass. We then just choose one of these equations, substitute this, and then try and find r. So if we have a wee look at equation, I'll just choose equation 2. So what we've got here is equation 2 is 2 times f, which is 35, plus 3r, and that's 130. So that's 70 plus 3r equals 130. We take 70 away from both sides, so we are left with 3r equals 60. And scroll down a wee bit. That means r, divide both sides by 3, equals 20. Okay, so we've got full price equals £30, or sorry, 35. Just making sure what's the R stand for, restricted, right? So get your fourth mark by actually telling us what these values actually stand for. Restricted is equal to £20. So if it's in paper 1, it's quite easy to actually work out. If it's in paper 2, you'll probably be needing your calculator, right? But that's the answer to that.